welcome back to my channel. My name is Gautami. If you're watching me for the first time, I make videos related to skincare, makeup, fashion, lifestyle and many more things. So please do click on the red subscribe button and join my journey. In today's video, I'm gonna speak about the products which you'll never ever regret buying, and almost all of the products in this list are bought multiple times by me. That means I'm in the second or the third usage of the product. So trust me guys, you can totally go and buy this product blindly. And I would really mention some of the conditions apply along with the products, but because I am in an oily skin zone, I am in a sweaty skin zone. If you're not in that zone, some of the products might not work for you. I'll really mention about those products while speaking about them individually. So let's get into the video for now. First product I want to speak about is the Face Shop Bright Rice Water Cleanser. This is the best cleanser I've ever used. Like, I've been using this from a couple of years now. This is like my fourth tube I think, and I also have a backup of it. This retails for around 650 rupees, but I've always bought it on some of the other sale on Myntra for around like below 500 only. And this particular tube lasts you for like months guys, so I buy it in any of the sale whenever it's like it takes a lot of time to finish, and I'll cut it and open it and then also use the product whichever is inside it. It lasts for a very long time for me, and and if you have tried this product once, you know what I'm speaking about. This gives you a squeaky clean skin. It takes off every bit of dirt, grit, grime from your face without ripping off any bit of moisture from it. It doesn't disturb the pH of your skin. It gives your skin in a super soft, supple way. I don't know how it does that, but it does that. So if you have not tried it even once, just go for it. Go ahead and buy this. You will not go back from this. I'm just telling you guys, just take my word on it. Just go buy it once and you'll not go back. Even my brother uses the same face wash, and he has been using it from the last October. He still haven't finished half of it also. That guy just washes his face only once in a day. So this is one of the best face washes. If you want to buy it, just go ahead and buy it. If you're searching for a nice face wash, this is an answer for you. And this works for any skin type. Be dry, oily, combination, any skin type, this works for you guys. So the next product I'm gonna speak about is the Bioderma Sensibio H2O Micellar Water. This removes makeup, like it washes it off. You need not even wash your face after taking the makeup off. The only problem with the micellar waters is that you need a cotton pad to take off the makeup. If it's with cleansing balms, it's really easy, but I didn't find a cleansing balm in my budget which works well. I've tried one from Earth Rhythm, and I'm going to speak about it in one of my videos. I hate that product. So I think I'm not going to go back from this micellar water anytime soon. Currently I'm using this. I'm gonna stock it up anyways. This is the only trusted makeup cleanser because this just takes off every bit of my makeup cleanly from my face. So I just love it guys. This is like everybody spoke about. I'm just mentioning it here in the video because I wanted to add it to my list. So the next product which adds to the list is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This is the only cream I've been using from the past 1 year for night creams. In between I used one oil. Anyways, we are not going to speak about it now. I didn't like it, so I came back to this one. I like this more because I am an oily skin person and I'm a sweaty person. Like, this is a gel night cream, so it works really well for me. It gives that balanced moisturization for my skin which is necessary. Gives only the thing which is necessary, not even a bit of excess of it. So I love this night cream. If you come into my skin zone, like oily or sweaty zone, then this one is a very nice product for you guys to try out. If you have not tried it, give it a shot. But this might be a bit less for the people who are not in the oily zone, who are of dry skin zone. Moisturization might not be sufficient for you guys. You can go to the product which might be an oil based or a cream based one. But the other thing about the product is that it really works on the acne marks. It really does a nice job in taking off the blemishes, so it works for me that way also. I love this product so much. This is one of the best night creams I've ever used. The next product I'm gonna add to the list is the one from Dr. Shutz. There has been a recent controversy about Dr. Shutz, that there has been a problem with the batch of niacinamide produced and which has been already sold. But I didn't face any problem with this Gulaban glycolic toner. It works really well. This has been working superbly well on my pigmentation. I really want to make a separate video about it completely, so I'm not going to speak much about this product now today in this video, but I really wanted to add this product to the list of the products you'll never regret buying, so I'm just mentioning it here. This is a very nice toner. Yeah. The next product I'm gonna speak about is the Ordinary AHA 30% AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution 10 minutes exfoliating facial. Yes, this is the cult classic chemical exfoliating product, guys. If you have heard about chemical exfoliation, you would surely have heard about this particular product, and I love this product. But if you have already been used to using acids in your skincare and you already started doing chemical exfoliation, then go for this product. This is one of the best chemical exfoliators you can ever find. But if you are in the very beginning stages of it, the percentages of AHA and BHA are too high in this. So start with lower levels. I mean, start with lower percentages, and then you can start abusing this after you get used to those lower percentages. Like, increase the percentages slowly. That's how it works. But if you've already used acids, then you can totally use it, and this is one of the best chemical exfoliators available in the town. So of course it's not really available in the town in India. This is available on Cult Beauty. This is also available on some of the Instagram stores. I've also heard people saying that this is coming on Nykaa soon. So the next product which adds to the list is the La Shield sunscreen gel. It's of SPF 40, PA+++, broad spectrum UVA UVB protection, oil free and dermatologically tested. This has been suggested to me by 2 different dermatologists at different ages also. One was suggested to me in my very early 20s, like I was just 21, and the other one recently when I was 29. And this was also suggested to my mother. She's in her 50s now. So all this information is given to you just because you have to know that this is suitable for every skin, any age, anybody, women or men also. Anybody can use it. SPF is for everybody. So yeah, this works really well, guys. This is a physical sunscreen, mineral sunscreen. It really creates one layer of protection on your skin. It works really well. This mattifies all the products you have applied underneath it, and it really works well. I love this product. It really works as a primer also, like, because it creates a very nice layer on your face after you apply your moisturizer and all the things which you wanted to apply. If you apply a serum, moisturizer, and then a sunscreen, this mattifies everything underneath it, and it works as a really nice primer. It really does protect it. Has SPF 40. And speaking of SPF, we only assume that SPF is the only thing that matters in a sunscreen. That's different for the people in the western zones. I mean, the western countries, SPF is the major portion, but for us in India, you have to also be careful about the UVA UVB protection. SPF of 30 is also sufficient for us, so SPF of 40 is more than enough. I would really this is suggested to me by a dermatologist, so I don't really compromise on this product. I keep on rebuying it, I keep on using it. This is like my 5th or 6th tube. I use it always. So yeah. So the next 2 products I'm adding to the list, which are not right now available with me because I've been trying out some other products now. Among them, the first one is the Laneige lip mask. I didn't find the one better than this till now. I still have to use the Earth Rhythm one. I didn't open it yet. I have so many other lip balms open also. I didn't open it yet. This far the best one is only that, and you will never regret buying it, guys. So I really wanted to add it to the list. If you're looking for a nice lip mask within 500 rupees, you buy that and it will last you for months, and you apply it on your lips at night and you wake up in the morning, you will have freshly moisturized lips. That's the best part of it. The best, like, you find the happiness in it, guys. Like, I really love that product. That's the one that goes to the list. And the last one which I want to speak about is the Body Shop's shower gels. I've been using the Bath and Body Works shower gels now. so I don't have the Body Shop one. Why am I suggesting the Body Shop ones is because they retail around 325 rupees and you always find them on sale for 250 rupees as such, and they work nearly in a similar fashion to that of the Bath and Body Works, far more or less the same way, and they are far more affordable than the ones of the Bath and Body Works, even on sale. So currently I'm using the Bath and Body Works ones, but I will surely get back to the Body Shop ones. Coming to the flavors, I like the Satsuma one the most. I love it. It smells amazingly good. The whole washroom smells so good. The next product and the other fragrance is I also like British Rose. I also like Moringa, but Satsuma is the first. I love it so much. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video and the list is useful to you guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you buy anything from this list after watching the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon while you subscribe so that when I upload a video you'll get a notification. Bye bye.